The U-Line cable tie gun is a lightweight, easy-to-use, adjustable sealing tool that can be used for securing items such as medical waste. Its special features on the back near the handle show the tension indicator, which displays how much tension is being applied. Underneath the tension indicator is the adjustment dial that helps to either increase or decrease tension. Take a look at the front of the tie gun. Inside, it has an automatic cutoff blade. Feed the tie through the square head and pull it through about an inch, fastening it a little with your hands. Now insert the end of the zip tie into the open slot at the front of the tie gun, facing the ridges of the zip tie down. Hold the square head of the zip tie to the tip of the gun with your finger and squeeze the trigger until the tension has been met. When the required tension has been met, the automatic cutoff feature will remove the excess tie, completing the seal. Bioseal has engineered a fix to prevent the cable ties from flying after the tie has been cut. Using the 4-inch nylon cable ties, place the end of the zip tie in the open slot at the front of the tie gun, facing the ridges of the zip tie down. We have placed a 1.5 by 0.5 inch strip of foam tape, which will catch the cut piece of zip tie once the required tension has been met. You can buy the cable tie gun with or without the added foam tape strip.